How to uninstall Audiate? First of all, open the control panel by searching for it in the Start menu or by pressing the Windows key plus R, typing Control and then hitting Enter. Next, click on Uninstall a program under the Programs or Program and Features section depending on your control panel view. This will show you a list of all installed programs on your computer. Then, scroll down until you find Audiate in the list. Click on it once to select it. After that, click on the Uninstall button located near the top of the window. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to uninstall Audiate. So click Yes or Uninstall to proceed. The uninstallation process will start and it might take a few moments to complete. Just wait patiently until it finishes. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer to ensure that all files and settings related to Audiate are fully removed. And that's it. Now you know how to uninstall Audiate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.